Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss CBSE class 10 maths chapter 7 coordinate geometry, the third question in exercise 7.2. Let's look into the question, children. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower plots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along the line AD as shown in the figure. Niharika, okay, there is a girl called Niharika, runs 1/4 of the distance AD on the second line. You can see here on the second line. So this is Niharika and posts a green flag. So this is the green flag. Preet. So Preet is another bird. Okay. So Preet is going to run 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line. So this is Preet. What is the distance between both the flags? So they want us to find the distance between both the flags. If Rashmi is another girl, has to post a blue flag. So Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway. So exactly halfway she has to post it. Okay. Between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? So here if you see, they've just given us the distance and all, but we are not given the coordinates. We need to write down the coordinates. For that, they've given us this 100 flower pots. That is for the y-axis. For the x-axis, they've named it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. Okay. So when you are going to talk about Niharika, so for Niharika, you can say the x-axis is 2, which is not a big deal at all. But what about the y-axis? In the y-axis, there are 100 flower pots of 1 meter each. So it's going to be AD. AD is going to be 100 meter. Okay. Now, Niharika is going to run 1/4 of AD. That means what? It is going to be 1/4 of 100, which is going to be 2 comma. So it will be 4, 4 2s are 8, 20, 4 5s are, it is going to be 25. This is for Niharika. Next is for Preet. For Preet, it is going to be on the 8th line. So it is going to be 8 comma, it is 1/5 of AD. So it is 1/5 into 100. It is going to be 2 comma 5 2s are 10, 0, it is going to be 20. Now they want us to find out the distance between both the flags. That means we have to find NP. So we know the formula of NP square is going to be what? X2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So can we find this out now? So it is going to be, let me take this as x2 comma y2 and this as x1 comma y1. So x2 minus x1 will be 2 minus 2, but this is 8 children. So it is 2 minus 8 the whole square plus 25 minus 20 the whole square. So it will be 6 square plus 5 square. So which will be 36 plus 25. It will be 61. Okay. So NP will be square root of 61 meter. Okay. So we are going to measure it as meter because we are given it as meter. Okay. So NP we have found out. Next, what is given? Where will Rashmi lay her flag? Where it is going to be halfway. So we have to use the midpoint formula. We have to use the midpoint formula for N and P. So what is that? X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So we've already considered x1, x2, y1, y2. So it will be 8 plus 2 divided by 2 comma 20 plus 25 divided by 2. So what is it going to be? It will be 10 by 2 comma 45 by 2. So this is 5 comma 45 by 2. So this is where she will actually place her flag. Who? Rashmi. Is it clear, children? So we can reduce this to 5, comma 22.5. Is it clear, children? So we've got the distance. Okay, first thing is the distance. This is the first thing which we need to find out. Okay, so distance NP is what? Square root of 61. Okay, square root of 61 meter distance. The next one is where Rashmi has to place her flag. Rashmi is going to place a blue flag exactly halfway. Halfway means what? Here the x coordinate is y. That means she is placing it on this particular line. Okay, and where at a distance of 22.5. Is it clear, children? So we've done with the question. So the distance between both the flags is equal to square root of 61 meter. And then Rashmi posts her flag on the fifth line, because it is what? 5 comma 22.5. Okay, on the fifth line at a distance of 22.5 meter from AB. This is very important. Not just write 22.5. 22.5 is from what? From this line. It is going to be 22.5. Okay. So this is how you will have to do with this question, children. So with this, we are completing the third question in this exercise. So we'll do the next question in the upcoming video, children. Thank you, children.